Aren't you going to the office today?
Of course, I will. What's the time now?
Get up then. It's 7 past half.
Oh, no.
Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the bus.
Right. Who is in the bathroom?
Liam.
Liam, hurry up. I am getting late.
Coming, Papa.
Daisy, give me warm water. I'll shave in the meanwhile. Where is my towel?
This is dirty, take that one.
Have my clothes been ironed?
Yes, I have put them in your cupboard.
I can't find my blue socks. Daisy, did you wash them yesterday?
I washed them the day before. All your socks are in the second drawer of your cupboard. Now let me finish cooking.
You can go into the bathroom, Papa. Mummy, where is my uniform?
On your bed. And your shoes are under the table.
Okay, Mummy.
Daisy, please keep my breakfast and the tiffin ready. I'll be back in 15 minutes.
Don't worry. Everything is ready. Liam, hurry up. Your bus must be coming at any moment.